Hyperobjects can best be described as really big objects. They are so big that you can't even see them. That's how big they are. They can come in all shapes and sizes, but they have to be really big shapes and sizes. You may be thinking, is a house a hyperobject? No, it isn't, because it isn't big enough. What about the Earth, you ask? No, because the Earth is already a planet, so it can't be a hyperobject because it is already a planet. What about something as big as the Earth and the same size? Yes, that is big enough to be a hyperobject. But what kind of a hyperobject is it? Well, to answer that, we need to know some facts. What is it made out of? Hyperobjects can't just be made out of anything. They have to be made out of ideas and stuff. Is it bigger than a house? Hyperobjects have to be bigger than houses. And since in this case it is the same size as Earth, it is bigger than most houses. Can you touch it? You can't touch hyperobjects because you aren't allowed to. So this is also why the Earth is not a hyperobject. Some other hyperobjects include space and all the atoms in the universe and all the ants on the planet in one really big ball, and also climate change. You may be asking, how does this apply to you? And the answer is, it probably doesn't, but it might sooner or later. The end.